On today's Enrique's Home Buyer channel, I want to talk to you about why your credit score is different when you run it versus when I run it. Hey, welcome back. Enrique here with First West Financial. This is my home buyer channel where I talk about everything related to buying a home, and a lot of it is related to credit. So today I want to talk to you about a topic that comes up quite a bit. Now, why I'm talking about this is because this morning, like every single week, I got a phone call from someone who wants to purchase a home. So we ran their credit, and their credit came in at 697. And this person was really concerned because when I told him that, he says, wait a minute, I thought I had a higher score. I'm looking at it right here on my Discover card, and my score is 701 or 705. That is very, very common. The mortgage companies run a credit report that is different than some of the other reports that people run. So the first thing I want to tell you is do not rely on Credit Karma or freecreditreport.com or Discover, Visa, whoever's giving you that score, don't rely on it. If you're going to buy a home, the real score is going to come from the mortgage company. Now, why is it different? And does it have to be? Well, the truth is no, it shouldn't be. It shouldn't be. The government should regulate this and make sure that everybody uses the same scoring model. But the truth is they're not using the same scoring model. Vehicle companies like finance car companies use a model that relies heavily on how your history of car payments is versus house payments. If you are borrowing money from a credit card company or a loan company, they want to use a different criteria to determine what your score is. So that's the reason why there's different models, like we have the FICO model, the Vantage model, etc. There's different kinds. Picture that you're measuring something, right? Some people are going to measure it using inches, right? If you're from the United States, you're going to measure it and say, well, this one's so many inches. And then you have someone from the United Kingdom or Mexico who says, oh no, it's so many centimeters. Well, you're measuring sort of the same distance, but you're using a different scoring model. One is yards, the other one is inches, the other one, same thing with gallons and liters and pints. So it's very similar. Now, it can get very confusing. All you need to know is that the score that you pull for free or the score that somebody gives you for free over the internet, whether it's your credit card company or Credit Karma, it's only a guide. The true score when you're purchasing a home comes from the lender. So to get your true score, you're going to have to talk to a lender. We usually run 3 scores: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. And then we use the middle of the 3. So that way, you know really what you're getting yourself into. Now, if your scores are really high and you have a Vantage score because Credit Karma tells you you have an 880 score, chances are mine's not going to be that different. The problem is when you are in the lower end, a few points can make a difference. So you think you have a 640 and I have a 623, and now you're talking about 2 different scores that one you can buy a certain loan and one you cannot. So that's the reason why you want to find out really what your true score is. To find that, talk to a mortgage broker, communicate with us. We'll be happy to recommend someone if you're outside California, or you can go to www.findamortgagebroker.com, put your information, and you can talk to a mortgage broker there. I hope you have a great week. Let me know if I can help with anything else. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Go check out the rest of our videos. We have tons of videos, all of them very informative, all of them related to purchasing a home on our home buyer channel. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.